Hello everyone, so in today's video we are going to watch the wedding embroidery hoop outline tracing. So first I traces the bride and groom, as you can see over here. So after tracing it, what I did, like I just take the printout and just take a carbon on this cloth. So after making it, like highlighting the sides of it, or as you can see in the video, so I just first highlighted it, and then after that I'll create the calendar now. So yes, as you can see, it's totally like I've taken the carbon from it. So now I'm going to create the calendar. So for that I first created the square box because I wanted to put in the square box. And again, you can only put the date of the wedding, so that's only depend on you that how you want to create or customize your calendar. So now what I'll do, I'm just making first I'm writing the month and the year, in which year that the wedding going to be happen. So as it was in the May, so I just first written down the May. Again, you can take a full printout, like you can first create it on a Canva or any other tool that you are using for creating such type of prototype, and then you can just take a carbon and use a carbon and just print over here, like highlight the outlines over here. So right now, like May 2023, so I thought that so I'm just correcting now the three word, because you can see now, yeah, it's clear. So this is how I did it, and after that I'll just put a lining where I want to just write down the week's name, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then I will write down the date. So as you can see here, I started writing it. You like First I checked my phone that in May 2023 where and okay, so now I checked my phone, and then I'm just started writing, like first the Monday, Tuesday, and then what to do, like. So then you can see, first I write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, and then Sunday. So I have not used any measurement over here. You can also make it very crisp using the measurement. And then for the dates, I opened my calendar and then just written down the dates. So it's starting from the Monday, so 1 2 3 4, and so on. I have written till 31st, as you can see in the video. Yeah, so this is how I just written it down in my running handwriting. So yes, it is done, as you can see here. So you can see I have written all the numbers. Yeah, so you have to know, always take care of the spaces when you are putting it. So as you can see, now it's done. So now let's create the like now make a flower on it, as that is the one of the basic thing that we do on the wedding calendar. So as you can now, yeah, so let's start using, I have taken the compass. Again, you can take any round articles to make that round article, and also you can create your prototype on any software, any tool, and from there you can just carbon it on your design. So as now I have just used the compass
and then
to
small
create
one.
all
So
the
as you can see, I
circular
have created
rounds. So I decided
five
to keep 5 flowers
on it,
and
after
on
that
the head
I
of it.
have
So you
just
can
put
see here I'm
the
just creating
leaves over
first the
there. So I'm
flowers
just
of different sizes. First
adjusting
I
my
have
frame,
created
and
a
then
big one,
you can see
then
I'm just giving the outline for the leaves. So yeah, so small, big, uh, like like that type. So again I have created some flower petals. Here you can see again the leaves, and then again one flower. So in that way, and then finishing it with the leaves pattern. Again, now I'm moving, adjusting my frame, and then just, yeah, again putting some leaf. Again, same way we will just repeat over here. Smaller, big leaf first, and then small, and then creating one again bird type flower, and then again finishing it up with leaves, and then again one flower, and then leaves, and then it will be close. You can see like this. So it has been done. So as you can see now, yep. So just finishing it with the leaf, and then again again with finishing it up with some leaves pattern. So here the length was little bit higher, then that's why I've put lot of leaves pattern here. Again now you can see now I have just put it 3 line, vertical line, and then it's completed. So here just I've left the blank for the putting up the name. So here it is done. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please share my video, like my video, and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for the more videos. Till then, bye bye, take care.